Fixed fingerprint not showing in settings. If you're having trouble with the fingerprint option missing in your phone settings after the latest update, don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through how to fix this issue. Step 1 is to check if the fingerprint sensor is enabled. Go to your phone settings and look for the biometrics or security section. Sometimes after an update, the fingerprint sensor might need to be manually enabled again. If it's not showing up here, we'll move on to the next step. Step 2 is to restart your phone. This is a simple but effective fix. Many issues, including missing settings, can be resolved by simply restarting your device. Turn off your phone, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Once it's back off, check if the fingerprint option reappears in your settings. Now check for any pending software updates. Sometimes the issue might be due to an incomplete or buggy update. Go to Settings and on General, go to Software Update and check if there are new updates available. If there is an update, install it and see if it resolves the missing fingerprint issue. Now for Android users, simply you can clear your cache. Sometimes cache data can cause issues with certain features. To clear your cache, go to Settings, then Storage and tap on Cache Data. Simply clear the cache, restart your phone and check if the fingerprint option shows up. Now, if nothing else works, try resetting your settings. Don't worry, this won't erase your data, but it will reset your Wi-Fi passwords, app preferences, and other settings. To do this, go back to Settings and on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here you can simply click on Reset and go to Reset Network Settings. And if you're on Android, go to Settings, then System and select Reset Options. Tap on Reset All Settings and check if the fingerprint option is back. And that's it. That's how you fix the fingerprint option update.